What you got there?
Batteries.
Is that the batteries? AA batteries? Okay. Oh, you want Daddy to do that part? Okay, Daddy will do that part.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, yeah?
Is that what they're called?
What?
Batteries?
AA.
Yes, double A.
Say 1.5
1.5
volt.
volt
Yes, sir.
batteries
That's right.
for the trash away.
Okay. Now, get your screwdriver. Here, put your battery pack into your train. And then let's get it all put back together, okay, bud?
Yeah. Oh.
Turn it around. Which way does it go?
I'll go this way. Nope.
No, like this, buddy. There you go. Try that. Does that work? Yeah.
I got pink.
Huh?
Got pink.
Okay. All right, so what we have here, we have, of course, the main engine. Good looking little train. Unlike the trains I grew up with, we played, these run on AA batteries and come with a remote control, which is pretty cool. You got forward, back, horn, smoke, stop, lights, and noise, sound. But we've got the main engine, we've got a passenger car, we've got a caboose, and we've got a delivery of coal. Okay, here's your train, young man. Get your lid there, put it in your train, screw it down, okay? Right here's your screwdriver. That's right. No, you had it right. Do it again. Put those down there. Put the top in first. There you go. Now, push it down. Get your screwdriver. Right here. There you go. Windy outside, isn't it, son? Is it tight? You got it good and tight? Yeah? Okay. Now, I'm going to put some smoke in there. Alright, get your smoke, your oil.
The oil.
Yep, that's your oil, Bubba. Sure is.
Gotta put some on them.
Yep, that's right. There you go.
Whoa.
Whoa. Is there any oil in it?
Yes.
Let me see. I don't think there's any oil in it, son. It looks empty. Other way.
Oh.
There you go. Careful now. You just want to put a drop in there, okay? Let me see. Hold on. All right, hold this. I believe it runs on water and steam. Hold it right there. Yeah, if there's no oil in there, then that tells me. See, the trains I grew up with, they ran off oil, not water. Okay, you ready? Okay, here you go. Put you a drop of water in there, not too much. This acts as like a clothes iron. Go ahead, squeeze it. Squeeze it. Go ahead, put you some more in there. Squeeze it. Go ahead, squeeze. There it comes. Keep going. Make sure you put plenty in there. All right, that's good. We'll try that out, okay? Where'd your gasket go? You got your little gasket?
Mm-hmm.
Where's it at? Oh, here it is. Put your gasket on there.
Oh. That's
Here, let Day see that.
I changed it.
Hold on a minute. I don't think you put enough in there. Take that back off. Let's make sure to put enough in there, okay? Day help you. All right, here we go.
I love you.
I love you. All right, put your gasket back on there.
This is a gasket.
Mm-hmm. Sure is. All right, here, put your lid on your water bottle, your steam. Good job, look. All right, put it right here. Don't tighten it too tight. You'll bust it. You've already got it too tight, I think. All right, sit it down there. Okay, you gotta get batteries for your controller.
Ah, you know?
Yeah, that's okay. You gotta get batteries for your controller, okay? Set your train up there.
Right. Here.
Here you go. Take your battery compartment off. Here, sit your work down. Sit your work down. There you go. Now, I'm gonna make it a little easier on you. Turn it. Left. Other way.
Oh.
Yeah, left. Push down hard. There you go. Okay, that's good. It's turning.
It's almost done that day.
All right, hearing it pop, hear it pop, that means it's done. All right, now you need what? You need AAA batteries. All right, do we have any of those, Noe?
Yeah.
Yes, Daddy, we do. Here you go. You want to open those up and get 2 of them?
Yeah.
All right. Did you get your back? All right. Got it. You must keep the back. Take care of your back.
I need big.
Yep. Get you 2 of those. Put them in there. Careful. Don't want to dump them on the floor. Here, sit them down there. Sit them down there. There you go. You got it. Hey.
True.
All right. Now, stick your finger in that hole right there and pull, and it should tear it open. Thanks, bud. Careful now. All right, you're doing good, buddy.
Big one.
Mm-hmm. We just need 2. Get your 2 batteries. Put them in your controller. Turn it around.
Oh.
Yep, that's opposite. Turn the battery around. Flip it. Flip it. There you go. Push and press. Very good, buddy. That's right.
Oops.
Daddy will get it. You stay right where you're at.
I'm gonna get another.
Okay. Here. It's okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
No, that's right. Put it in there. There you go. Okay, now get your back. Compartment.
Here.
You gotta put the tab in first. There you go. That's it. All right. Now, screwdriver.
Very tight.
Yep, that's right, Bubba.
Tight.
All right. You ready? Let's check the train out here. You want to turn the train on?
Yeah.
Make sure everything's working. Okay. Show us how you turn the train on. Oh, you're getting excited. You're ready, aren't you? Hold on. Leave it up here. Let's test it out up here. Test it out right here. It's okay. We're right here. It ain't going nowhere. It's not going nowhere. Okay. You got lights on? Push the light button. All right, push the light button. Push the light button. There's the lights. Do the smoke. Do the smoke. Oh, look at that smoking. Look, Serenity.
I can see it.
You can? All right, do the train sound. Blow the smoke. Do the train. Hold the smoke and do the train sound. Do them both at the same time. Turn the light on. Turn the light on. All right, do the train and smoke. Yeah! Where's your engineer hat at?
We need some more.
Okay, are you satisfied that this train is ready to be placed on a track and ran? Yeah? Here you go. No, there's plenty in there. Daddy put plenty in there. I put quite a bit in there for you. All right. Let's get it put together, okay?
Yeah.
And we'll get her running. All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Take care.